So on the campus of Rice University, talking with an arborist about removing this cypress tree. We're estimating about 100 years old to 150. Largest tree on the Rice University campus. It does have beetle bug holes, so we are salvaging this. It would die naturally. They're also building a state-of-the-art center here for the students. So we're gonna make a special piece for the construction company. Shout out Austin Commercial Construction, and also for the Rice University. And we look forward to showcasing the beautiful piece that we're gonna create and donate to the Rice University.